Good morning, children. Welcome to the GK class, and in this session we are going to learn about United India. Children, look at this map and the picture that is given in your page. You have to write the names of these states on the next page. You have to read the description of these given place, and you have to write from where these places or the animals belong to. Now let's do the first one. Kamal Modi visited the Gir National Park and Akshardham Temple. There he saw the Sabarmati river he had been to. Now you have to tell where Kamal Modi had been to. And the right answer is Gujarat. He had been to Gujarat. Now second one is Lalitha visited the world's first granite temple, Brihadeshwara temple at Tanjore, and she had been in the Pilani Hills, on which the famous hill station Kodaikanal is situated, and she had been to. Now you have to again name the state where she had been to, and the right answer is Tamil Nadu. Third one is Sagarika had been to the state which has Har Ki Pauri, which is the most sacred place where Kumbh Fair is organized, and there she saw Kempty Falls and Corbett National Park, and she had been to, yes, she had been to Uttarakhand. She had been to Uttarakhand. Now the fourth one, Sahil had gone to the state where the Bollywood industry is the most popular, and there he visited the Gateway of India. He also participated in the most popular festival, that is Ganpati Utsav, being celebrated there. He had been to. Now you have to name the state where Sahil had been to, and he had been to Maharashtra. Yes, the correct answer is Maharashtra. And the last one is Kratika had been to South India. She enjoyed the world famous snake boat race there. She also saw the Kovalam beach, and now you have to tell she had been to which state. Yes, the right answer is Kerala. She had been to Kerala. And now it's time for Tell Me Now. Now, which park is famous in Chandigarh for art and craft? And the correct answer is Rock Garden. Now, next exercise, that is India, its superlatives. Now here you have to just learn below the things that are some largest, highest and the tallest places or the monuments of India, and you have to just read about them. The first one is longest railway route. This is from Jammu to Kanyakumari. Largest planetarium is Birla Planetarium in Kolkata. Highest battlefield is Siachen Glacier, that is in Jammu Kashmir. Largest church, St. Cathedral in Goa. Biggest hotel, Oberoi Sheraton, that is in Mumbai. Largest cave, Amarnath, is in Jammu and Kashmir. Longest tunnel, that is Jawahar Tunnel, that is in Jammu and Kashmir. Highest peak is Karakoram 2, which is of 8,611 meter height, and the longest river bridge is Mahatma Gandhi Setu, that is in Patna. Then tallest statue Veera Abhya Anjaney Hanuman Swami in Andhra Pradesh. Largest dome Gol Gumbaj in Bijapur. Fastest train Bhopal Shatabdi from New Delhi to Bhopal. Then longest railway platform, that is Kharagpur in West Bengal. Longest beach Marina Beach in Chennai. Largest animal fair Sonpur, Bihar. Tallest TV tower in Rameshwaram, TV tower, that is in Tamil Nadu. Then longest tributary rivers of India is Yamuna, and then the last one is longest highway, National Highway 7. Now tell me now, name them. You have to name the largest public sector bank, and that is SBI. SBI means State Bank of India. State Bank of India is the largest public sector bank. Second one is largest Gurudwara is Golden Temple, which is in Amritsar. Golden Temple is the largest Gurudwara, that is in Amritsar. Now come to the next exercise, that is before being the president, whom they used to be. And below are the pictures of presidents of India who had served in different offices. Now you have to identify the pictures and write their names. First one is, he served as the Vice Chancellor before he became the President. He was Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan served as a Vice Chancellor before he became a President. Second one is, he was the first Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Now who is he? He is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. He was the first Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Third one is, he was the Chief Minister of Punjab and also the Union Home Minister. Who is he? He is Gyani Jail Singh. Was the Chief Minister of Punjab and also the Union Home Minister. Fourth one is, he served as a Defence Minister in the Union Government. He is Ramaswamy Venkateshwaram. Venkateshwaram. Fifth one is, he served as a Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh and his name is Shankar Dayal Sharma. Shankar Dayal Sharma served as a Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh before he was a President. She served as the first female governor of Rajasthan. Who is she? She is Shrimati Pratibha Patil. Shrimati Pratibha Patil. Now next one is, he served as a scientist in India's missile and nuclear program. Who is he? He is a famous personality. His name is APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was a famous scientist also. He served as the finance minister and foreign minister in government of India. Who is he? He is Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Mukherjee. Now that's all in this exercise. Now come to the next one, that is symbols signify. There are 29 states in India now. Here few states have been shown along with their various symbols. Now these symbols are the identities of these states. Now you have to guess the names of the symbol, and one is already done for you. Now let's read about the Kerala and write the symbol of Kerala like tree. The main symbolic tree of Kerala is coconut. Coconut is a symbol of Kerala. Bird, great hornbill. Great hornbill. Animal is elephant. Popular non-elephant animal is elephant. Then about Punjab. The symbolic tree of Punjab is Sisham. Bird is Baj. And Ghaswak. And the animal is blackbug. Blackbug. Now, the symbolic tree of Gujarat is mango tree. Bird is greater flamingo. Greater flamingo. And the animal is lion. So, that's all in this chapter. Thank you.